I don't like it when the markets start moving because of any fundamentals. And that's what we're having today. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have a strong key level 95. This 95 extremely important. You know what I mean? It's like that's not enough for me. Okay, so we're gonna watch it. Okay, so let's pay real close attention to that 95. That 95 is extremely important. I'm gonna give you the full story. I wanted to ride this move down all the way from 208. I wanted to move it down. I wanted to ride it down all the way to 72. And then the economic release comes and then stops the downtrend. Well, we'll see about that. So it's in the back burner now. This is how you want to look at it. Of all the things that could happen at the open, we already know. Hablando como Biden. We already know.
No yelling, CAPI.
I don't know, 10, 15 minutes ago, that the price is going to bounce, it's going to test 200, it's going to break it, it's going to continue to 209, right? Wasn't that the forecast at 9 a.m.?
Correcto.
All right, so that's what we're going for, okay? Long, the pullback that couldn't take 95, expecting test of 200, break it and continue to that double top, which by the way, even the teenagers on YouTube know that 209 is a double top, right? So there's gonna be a self-fulfilled prophecy right here at 209. Remember that this is the only strategy that they know. It's the double top and the double bottom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, by way of 06, look at this beauty right here. 06, what is that? Mistake 6, half, 2 ticks.
Yeah.
Right? Pretty good, man. We need to know all of that. We've been bullish since 9 a.m. The pullback, 96, right? 96, right? 96. The pullback right there, 96, 97. That we said price is going to go test 200, break it, and continue to 09. Remember that 09 is a double top. Even the teenagers, the fake gurus on YouTube know that it's the only one that they know, right? So a lot of real traders jumped the gun before 09. And remember that longer term, we still believe that eventually the price is going to break 95 and continue to our 84, right, by way of 190. That's longer term. Right now, make no mistake about it, right? Our main play is long to 209. But we knew, I told you, look, here, I told you, at 9:21, 10 minutes ago, by way of 06. 06 is going to stop it. Look at what just happened, right? And now, what do you think is going to happen next? Well, we're going to be here in this battle right here. 95 needs to be taken completely so that we have confirmation that we are not, that the market changed the trend direction and it's on its way to 84. Until that happens, our main play is still long to target 109, and let's see what target 2 is. All right? Everything known since when, Mystic? Since 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Look at it. I told you right here, aggressive short. You can take a shot short right here, 04, right? and look at the bounce. Aggressive trader, right? To 01, because of course we prefer 09, right? But aggressive trader, we take a shot short right here at 04 when I told you to take it. Okay? Everything making sense? So, because if we believe that the longer term is all the way back to 95, break it and continue to 190, well, yeah, sure. We all wanted to go short 09, right? As a counter trend. But we have to grow a little bit of pulse and take a shot right here at 04 when I told you, so that we are prepared when it happens. We know that we're going against the main play, which is still long to 09. As long as you know exactly where you are positioned, then you are in control, which is the idea. Real traders, what are they doing? Everybody's looking at 95. Those of us who went short right here, 04, when I told you, take a shot here, be aggressive, then what do we want? We want the price to break 95 and continue to our longer term 190. And what was the other one?
72.
And 184, right? So when the price breaks 95, which is not going to be easy, I'm telling you, then everything will continue happening. So what's going to happen at 95? The bulls are coming back, and 95, it's a destination for this short 04. It's a total destination. 95, 96. Everybody, all the bears that went short here, they're going to lock profits right here at 95 because we all know it's not going to be easy to be taken. So they have to lock. And then what is that going to do? It's going to make the price bounce, and then 200, 95, 95, 200, 295, etc., 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 right? That's why we had to take that short 04. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I told you 95 is a profit-taking level. Is that 95 quarter mistake?
It is.
All right, so, and then what did I say what's going to happen right after the price goes to 95? It was going to bounce, right?
Yeah.
And it was going to leave 95 to 100, right? Look at the bounce again, all the way to 98. Look at it, you see.
Yes, I see it.
How the hell, how can there possibly be a system? Look at it. Are you kidding me? How can there possibly be a system that can tell you all of that stuff ahead of time, you see? It's like a crystal ball.
It is.
Live, real time, as it's happening. None of that garbage teaching after the fact. Mistake.
Right.
Is that 200?
200.
Is the price doing exactly what we said that the price, is the price going and doing it and going where we said it was going to go and how it was going to get there exactly the way we described it 10 minutes ago, Mr.
It sure is.
Alrighty, and that, my friends, is the only way that the S&P 500 can be traded and successfully. Hey, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we haven't talked about target 2 for the main play long 95. Target 1 is 09, right? It still is 09. Target 2 is 14. Okay, have it there. We know that that's against the longer term. The main play remains long, bullish. The long 95, the squeeze, remember, this is where the bulls are still in control. Main play, still target 1, 09, target 2, 14. Right? When and if the bears take control, we are prepared already because we know that the taking of 95 confirms that the bears took over, and then we are expecting a continuation all the way to 90 and 94. In the meantime, right, which is we still understand that the main play is long. Yeah, CAPI, but we shorted, man, the 04, and we wanted to continue shorted. It's a counter. It's a counter revolution. All right, you can go with that one if you like we all are. You know, if I think that eventually the price is gonna take 95, like I do, then I'm short the 04 and I'm gonna manage it. Hey, so how about the long? What's wrong with being long the ES and short the micros, or short the ES in another account? What's wrong with that? Do it. That's the way we do here, because we look to take advantage of every single substantial move that we see price is going to do in the future, which is our edge here, is prediction addiction. Right? That's all there is to it. Okay? And that, my friends, is how the dice roll. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 7 quarter, right? On our way to target 109, price goes to 7 quarter. What's the mid-range? 7.5. Okay, 95's never taken. Main play long 95, 96, still in command, and we're still expecting target 109 to be achieved, like we've been expecting all morning long today. Almost got there, mid-range, and the chop continues. It's FOMC. So, 10:56, target 109 achieved. 09 from our 95, main play still going, and that's how the dice rolls. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who always do the same thing that I tell you to do, and short it right here, 9 quarter, 9.5, 10. Couldn't, because it went only 1 point above '09. You are right now in a counter trend short '09, and in less than a minute we are up 3 points, and you know the longer term, right? Okay. All right. If it happens, terrific. If it never happens, it's okay. Okay, looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that breakoff of our '06. Gee, look at our trading 101. Look at our '06. Where is he going? To target 2, right? Okay, right. Target 2 all the way to the all the way to 20, right? It's a double top. Even the teenagers, fake gurus in on YouTube, even they know that 1920 is a double top, right? So our target 2, it's look at the way it took it, right? So we're gonna pulse it out and let it ride, let it ride, let it ride as long as you can, all the way to 1920. That's target 2. It's dynamic, okay? Let it ride. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's 19 quarter, right? 19, 18, 75. That's beautiful. It's okay to get out here. Target 2 accomplished. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 2 officially hit right here at 21. And of course, pulse it out, right? I'm still looking for target 3. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this morning at 9 a.m. when I told you the only ones that know the importance of 95 is us and the smart money. Goldman, Deutsche, etc. Remember? All right, look at that. What is that? 26? 226 from 95? That's 30 points that we just made. And we are on our way to target 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are up 40 points from our entry long 95 right here. Now that the price hit 35 quarter, almost 36, right? So we're up 40 points, and our target 3 is 51. I know it's a little bit of an ambitious objective, but that's what we want. So we're going to do everything in our power to let it ride to 51. How do you like that? Well, that was a beautiful spike all the way to 39, right? I give us 44 points. That's not too shabby, is it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're almost getting there, right? So now, sure, I know that we had an ambitious target 3, but remember, it's by way of 42. 42, 51, so 9 points above the by way of 42. Okay? Here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 42, and let's go ahead and see if we can get a last minute run as high, close to 51 as possible, and then we're gonna get all out. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Well, anyway, here 42, 43. How much is that? From 195? That's 48 points, ladies and gentlemen. 48 points that we are already up in our trade. And let it ride, let it ride. I have reasons to believe that we're going to be pretty close to our target 351. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are up 50 points, and time right now 3:59. So 1 minute to the close of the regular stock market. Remember that we are futures, so we're opening a little bit later. However, 50 points is what I think the maximum that we're gonna get today, right? And not that I'm complaining. 50 points, all predetermined. Exactly, we knew exactly where to get in, and we knew exactly where to get out our usual 3 units. You're gonna trade futures. I get close. If you're gonna trade futures and you cannot do at least 3 contracts, 3 units or 3 contracts, you should be selling real estate. You don't belong in this business. 3 units? 3 units? Are you kidding me? All right, 3 units, we made 50 points. So, in other words, ladies and gentlemen, if you did nothing other than when I told you what it is exactly the markets are going to do, you did nothing but let it ride all the way to exactly where I said the price was going to go. You just made 50 points today. Once again, this is live, real time, as we do every single day, Monday through Friday, right? From 9 to 12. And of course, right now, sometimes we cannot tell the market to to give us 50 points before 12 noon. Sometimes we have to wait until whenever the market wants to get there, and this is how we do it. So stay tuned. Come back tomorrow, and we're gonna do it all over again. And this, my friends, is how the dice rolls.